Today, I will be showing you how to add batteries into your remote. Now here we got the DirecTV brand remote, easy, gray and black. We're gonna take it under the wrapper. You gotta make sure you open the wrapper to take the remote out. It might be complicated for some of y'all, but some will catch on. Remove the plastic tip. Yeah, nice and new. In the back, you have the battery release tray. This is where you place the batteries at. You gotta make sure you have AA batteries, not AAA. If you don't know, you'll figure it out. So we was lucky that we came with a pack of free batteries. Now these cheap batteries, they don't last very long, but they will do. 2 AAA batteries will go inside this DirecTV remote. You must open the battery packs to get the batteries out. Now please, make sure you don't cut yourself with the hard wrappers. We don't need to rush nobody to the hospital. Now we got the 2 batteries. You take your remote with your right hand, batteries with the left hand, and you slide it in. Push it in till it snaps. You take the other battery with your left hand and you slide it in. Push it in till it snaps. You take the lid and you close it. Bam. That's how you have replace your batteries for your remote. Simple, easy, DirecTV. Now you got an active remote. Please subscribe to my channel below and we will teach you more common sense shit for you. Thank you.